Welcome to the EVO Nano Series tutorials. In this video, we will use the EVO Nano Premium Bundle as an example to show you how to use the EVO Nano series for the first time. Open the box and take out the aircraft and its accessories. You can scan the Autel Sky app QR code on the packaging box or on the official Autel Robotics website to download and install the Autel Sky app and complete registration. First, remove the gimbal cover and the propeller holder. Unfold the aircraft's front arms and then the back arms. Mount the command sticks on the remote controller and screw them in place. Pull out the mobile device holder. Put your mobile device into the mobile device holder. Connect the Type-C end to the remote controller. Connect the connection cable to your mobile device. Press the remote controller power button for 2 seconds to turn on the controller. Press the aircraft power button for 3 seconds to turn on the aircraft. Open the Autel Sky app and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the aircraft. If you have purchased Autel Robotics Care, please bind it to your aircraft within 48 hours. Press the power button for a few seconds to turn off the aircraft and the remote controller. Fold the aircraft back arms and fold the aircraft front arms. Attach the propeller holder and mount on gimbal cover. Put the aircraft and the remote controller into the shoulder bag. Thank you for watching.